All right, so day 3 out here in the beautiful state of Colorado. Just woke up from our nice little tent beds. We're gonna pack up.
All right, so we checked into Camp 4, got our place for the next 3 days, 4 days, something like that. Now, hi, how's it going?
Wonderful.
It's a pleasure to be here.
All right, so we just got a nice hot shower. Apparently they have those here, so that was nice. We're gonna go check in, do our new campsite, Camp 4. Just get a spot reserved and then hit the trail to, I keep forgetting that.
Glacier Point.
Glacier Point.
And then we're going to Clouds Rest Trail later tonight.
Right.
Yep. So,
We'll see you there. Made it out here. Another good view of Half Dome. What more do you want? Little side mission quest. Is it cold?
It's chilly, yeah, but it feels really good. All right.
Hot.
About to go in here.
See it. Whoa! Is there a big ass rock right there? All right, hold on, I'm coming in. Woo, yeah, that's chilly. Woo. Oh. Whoa. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna do this.
Not fall to the left.
Why?
Not fall to the right. What a beast. I dare you just jump in that way.
Right there and get taken with the current.
Let's stop by some rocks. Woo!
This is weird. I've never seen it. I feel like it looks weird flowing that way.
A wild gibby climbing up rock 1. Finally, a breath of fresh air. Off to rock 2. Takes the leap of faith, oh! Survives.
See? I told you, it's strong right there. That's a little bit more graceful than mine. Ka-chow! Trademark.
Where you at, fishies?
I'll catch you with my bare hands. So that was 100% worth the pit stop. What do you say, Joe?
100%.
Just pulled off on the side here, found a spot to jump in. Nice little refresher. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Just made it to the trailhead. About to start Crest Lake Trail. Yeah, I'll show you our full setup once I get it done here. We're getting everything packed and in the bags. Alright. Smacking a peanut butter and jelly. Got the bag somewhat situated. Alright. Nothing quite like chasing a peanut butter jelly, like chugging a double shot espresso. Fire.
That's gonna haunt us. All right, bags are packed. We're ready to go. We've got enough water to quench the thirst of a small African village, but never be too prepared when it comes to hiking into the wilderness. We will see how it goes. Hopefully we don't run out, because if we do, we're fucked because we don't got a life straw.
We're about 2 miles in. Now we've hit the high elevation part. About 1,000 feet of elevation in 1 mile. Ah, there's the beaver. Beaver. Yeah. I knew I heard something. Like I was walking and I was like, I know I hear something. I finally saw it. But we got switchbacks, which means we're basically going up side of a mountain and going back and forth. We got that for about the next mile. Then we should be on another flat land part. So let's power through it. This is the fun part. This is why not everyone gets to do this, because it actually takes a lot of work to get here, and why it's so worth it. So, and views like this. Gorgeous. So, all right, let's knock her out.
Oh shit. Joey says we got about an hour left, about an hour in to the halfway point. I'm already fucking trailing behind. Nothing but uphill for the next mile. 1,000 feet elevation change in under a mile. Push through it. Think I'm coming up on it. Oh yeah, this is it for sure. Looks like Joey already jumped in. Oh my God. This looks incredible. Here it is. Oh my God. Joey's already in the water. Look at that. And at sunset. Getting close. This is insane. I'd passed a dude. He showed me there's like a table.
Keep going.
Yeah, he said it's a little bit in.
Okay.
This is insane. I want to get in real quick. Oh, that's an odd tree. Look at that. It's 2 different right angles. Cool. Lo and behold, off the trail, you found another little lake. Huh? We're gonna find somewhere, set up the hammocks, call her good. All right, so we found a campsite. Yeah, we're gonna hook up to these couple trees, have ourselves a good old time. There she be, the beautiful sunset. Joey's climbing a rock. I guess I climbed one too. Sitting in like a child's pose or something. No, that's not child's pose. Frog pose. I don't know what the fuck is. Waiting for the stars. The night gaze. Should be cool. The hot skipping a 2 away. Oh, that.